As the holiday season approaches, homes in Flower Mound, Texas, become decorated with festive lights, wreaths, and ornaments. However, traditional holiday decorating often means entangling lights, climbing ladders, and spending hours setting up and taking down decorations every year. An excellent solution to eliminate this hassle is the installation of permanent Christmas lights. With permanent lights installed on your home, you can enjoy a dazzling holiday display year after year without the stress and effort of seasonal decorating. In this article, we'll explore the many benefits of installing permanent Christmas lights in Flower Mound and how they bring long-lasting holiday cheer, security, and convenience to your home. Effortless holiday decorating year after year. One of the most significant benefits of permanent Christmas lights is the convenience they offer. Instead of dealing with the time-consuming process of hanging lights every year, you can enjoy a festive and beautifully lit home without the hassle. With permanent lights installed professionally, all you need to do is switch them on when the holiday season begins, and you can enjoy a bright, merry display throughout the season. No more entangling strings of lights or worrying about replacing broken bulbs. Permanent Christmas lights are designed to be durable and long-lasting, making your holiday decorations easier than ever. You'll be able to fully enjoy the festivities without the stress of setup and teardown. Enhance curb appeal and add value to your home. Permanent Christmas lights are a fantastic way to enhance your home's curb appeal. In Flower Mound, where homes are often beautifully landscaped and thoughtfully designed, adding permanent lighting creates a stunning visual effect that draws attention and elevates the beauty of your home. These lights highlight your home's architectural features, landscaping, and outdoor living spaces, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere for guests and passers-by alike. Moreover, permanent Christmas lights can increase the value of your home. Homes with upgraded exterior lighting are often seen as more attractive and well-maintained, making them stand out in the real estate market. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, permanent Christmas lights can add to the property's appeal, offering buyers a beautifully lit and festive home that's ready for the holidays. Customizable for any occasion. While permanent Christmas lights are perfect for the holiday season, they're not limited to just Christmas. These lights can be customized to fit a variety of occasions, making them a year-round feature for your home. For instance, you can adjust the colors, patterns, and brightness of your lights for different holidays or celebrations. Whether you're decorating for Halloween, Independence Day, or just want to brighten up your home for a special event, permanent Christmas lights provide flexibility and versatility. In Flower Mound, where homeowners love celebrating all year long, the ability to change the lighting display with ease makes permanent Christmas lights an ideal investment. You can create a festive atmosphere for any occasion, making your home the talk of the neighborhood. Increased safety and security. Another essential benefit of permanent Christmas lights is the added security they provide. Well-lit homes are less likely to be targeted by burglars, as proper lighting makes it more difficult for criminals to approach your home without being seen. With permanent Christmas lights, you can keep the exterior of your home brightly lit throughout the year, ensuring that your property is always visible and secure. Moreover, during the winter months, when days are shorter, having lights around your home provides additional visibility and reduces the risk of accidents. Whether it's lighting up your driveway, walkways, or front porch, the illumination from your permanent lights enhances safety by providing clear pathways for family members and guests, especially during dark evenings. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Permanent Christmas lights are designed to be energy efficient, so you can enjoy a festive display without the worry of high electricity bills. Many modern permanent lighting systems use LED technology, which is far more energy efficient than traditional incandescent bulbs. LED lights use less energy, last longer, and are more durable, making them a more sustainable and cost-effective option. With permanent lights, you'll no longer need to worry about the costs associated with constantly replacing traditional string lights or using excessive power to run holiday decorations. In the long run, permanent Christmas lights save you money on energy bills while reducing waste, offering a greener solution for your holiday lighting needs. Increased convenience and safety. Installing permanent Christmas lights also means no more ladder climbing or dealing with the risk of injury while hanging lights on high areas. Many homeowners in Flower Mound appreciate the peace of mind that comes with having professional installation done for them. Skilled technicians can ensure that the lights are securely and safely installed on your home's roofline, trees, and other areas, reducing the chance of accidents. Additionally, many permanent lighting systems are equipped with smart controls, allowing you to turn your lights on and off with the press of a button or even through an app on your phone. This convenience ensures that your lights are always in place and ready to shine without the hassle of manual setup. Conclusion. Permanent Christmas lights in Flower Mound are a fantastic way to bring lasting holiday cheer to your home while offering a wide range of practical benefits. From effortless decorating and enhanced curb appeal to increased security and energy efficiency, permanent lights offer homeowners a long-term solution to their seasonal lighting needs. These lights provide beauty, convenience, and flexibility, making them an investment that pays off every holiday season and beyond. If you're tired of the annual hassle of holiday decorating, consider installing permanent Christmas lights and enjoy a brighter, safer, and more festive home year after year. Let your home shine with holiday cheer, without the stress and effort of traditional decorating.